Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. We're at our house that's been for sale for forever. Oh, yeah, since last year at this time. Like I said, we thought we'd sold it, but that didn't quite work out. That we found out in December, and that so it's been on the market ever since. And everybody was commenting it's too expensive and everything like that, and whatever. But I've learned here that when you're selling something here, yeah, it's gold, and when the buyer looks at it, is copper or tin. So, or what should I state? It's a T-bone steak for the seller, and it's dried fish for the buyer. That's just the way things go here. But I've got a special price. If you want to find out more about the house, like I said, we have a clear title on it. The house there is about, about 20 by 22. It's got a huge porch on it, and that's where we did most of our living when we built here. It's approximately 6 years old. When it was put up, got a hand-dug well here, even though it's got city water here also. But there's a hand-dug well here that's covered. A C-store, and that, of course, that's all covered. And of course, a piece of rental property here, which is about a 12 by 14 with its own comfort room and septic, and that, and a cooking area for them outside also. Yep, the grass needs to be cut and everything. We've kind of let it go here the last few weeks. We've been busy at the farm. But making a special offer. We had started out at $2 million, worked our way down, and of course for that price, what I was going to do to anybody that bought it, I was going to chip in a couple 100,000 pesos. Once we'd received the money off the price, I actually was going to give it back to him so he could do improvements on the house. But of course, we got some offers, but nobody came through. Now I'm offering it at $950,000, and there is no other deal. It's a cash deal. You ain't getting nothing back. It's as is. It's a fixer-upper. It needs some work, which every place needs that's used and you want to buy, to be able to fix it up and do whatever you need to do to make it comfortable for you. But like I said, now the $950K as is, period. I've reduced the price a number of times, and that I just want to get rid of the house and the property. I don't want to rent it. Plus, we need to do some improvements out at the farm, and really need the money. So that's why I brought the price down. The land alone here, 330 square meters, was purchased for approximately 400,000 pesos. That's 7 years ago, and it's worth about 500,000 pesos right now because it's on the main road here in a perfect location for somebody that wants to have a C-store here, or to set up something to cook some lunch or whatever for anybody. Absolutely ideal location with that. Across the road, from what we understand, is going to go some apartments, because right down the road a little bit, at the end of that property across the road, which is an empty field right now, is a new college. And we've had a lot of requests from the kids to be able to rent here. And of course, I'm not gonna rent it. I want to sell it, get out of it from underneath it, and that. So, anybody interested? Get a hold of Beth at her website, Philippine Expat Country Living, or get a hold of myself at my website. I haven't been on there lately, but I'm still reading any of the emails that come in, and let us know. 950,000 pesos, and I've got 1.5 mil into it. So, steal of a deal. First person that comes along, it's theirs. That's got the money and got the cash for it. I just, like I said, I want to get out from underneath it. I need to do other things and we need to do other things out at the farm here. And now with our vehicle no longer working and haven't got any transportation except a tricycle and that, yeah, we actually really need to sell it. So if you're interested, get a hold of Beth or get a hold of myself, and we'll show you the property. Like I said, work out a deal on it, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to say goodbye for now, and everybody have a good day, and God bless.